That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. I don't love detailing or lawn care, but I don't hate either. It happens to be something that I'm good at. What I love about it is that it works, and it continues to work. A&A started out as an idea, and I fell in love with the business because that idea consistently works. It's like cultivating the land, planting a seed, and watching it grow. I had good intentions, great expectations, but wasn't really sure how it would turn out. All I could do is plan for the worst and hope for the best. You'll never know if the plan will work. To be honest, I don't think I'll still be doing this if it didn't work. Because of posting YouTube videos, I taught myself how to edit, and it brings me joy when I put a video ad together and potential customers respond to it. I've learned how to market, advertise, and talk to customers. Just yesterday, I booked an appointment in the drive-thru Chick-fil-A. The potential customer was actually in line behind me and called the number on the back of my truck. That was an idea I put into play years ago, and it still brings me good results today. My head is full of ideas, and when I decide to pull the trigger and it works, that's better than any DA polisher, product, or YouTube popularity. I'm not going to limit myself to just lawn care and detailing. I'm going to start putting more of my ideas out there. I love it when the plan comes together. At this point in my life, I'm ignoring distractions and I'm trying to get more accomplished. The more I accomplish, the better I will be. I enjoy following where my ideas and plans take me. It never turns out how I expected, and I'm always surprised but never disappointed. The sky's the limit. And I often wonder if I have acted on at least 20% of my ideas, where would the business be? Where would A&A be? Well, there's only one way to figure this out. It's time to stop wondering and start taking some action. Thanks for tuning in. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.